the sound of that. Alright. Here we go. Let's go, we're shaking it up. Let's go, we're throwing it down. Flow show, we running it now. You know we do. We're losing control. Yeah, we about to blow. Ready, set, here we go. We ready to roll. We ready, we ready. We ready to roll. Let's turn it up, start the show. Here we go. Here we go. We ready to roll. Ready, set, here we go. We ready to roll. Let's turn it up, start the show. Here we go.
Itugot Ginoo
nga kami
nga kami
magkahiusan
magkahiusa
sa kasing-kasing
sa kasing-kasing
una-una
ug huna-huna
sukad karong adlaw
sukad karong adlaw
bisan unsay mahitabo
bisag unsay mahitabo
maayo o dautan
maayo o dautan
sa kahamugaway
sa kahamugaway
o kapitos
kapitos
sa sakit
sa sakit
o sa maayong panglawas
sa maayong panglawas
hangtod ang kamatayon
hangtod ang kamatayon mubulag ka namo.
Breathe deep, love. Take your time. Hang on loosely as time flies.
mine kay bao ka sa akong na-feel karon happy kay ko kay nadayon na jud ni for how many years na agian
Mine. Una sa tanan, proud kay ko nimo. Ug kanunay kong musagubang kanimo sa kalisod man ug sa kalipay.
Wherever this life goes, this will be your home. You're never alone, my love. Remember you're always enough. Hold on and never give up. You're never alone.
Sa umaabot nga mga plano na tupuhon, magtinabangay ta og open sad ka og open sad ko nimo sa mga if na problem nga maagianap to nya sa atong anak nga si Alejandra Hope. Hinaot mo pud anak to kalas Ginoo.
Take heart, love, through the years. Live your life free of fear. Through all of the laughs and every tear. Never would have thought we'd make it here. Please know, wherever this life goes, this will be your home. You're never alone, my love. Remember you're always enough. Hold on and never give up. You're never alone. Wherever this life goes.
Tanan, mine, salamat kay sa suporta. Ug naa sa kong kiliran. O kanunay, I love you always.
then mine TCCIC, take care cause I care. Mine, I love you.
Of course, this will be your home. You're never alone, my love. Remember, you're always enough. Hold on and never give up. You're never alone.